Still looking at mode here. This is number 3. What is the mode of the following data set? And a couple of things to note here. First thing is, although we don't really need to rearrange them technically, there is a scattering in terms of the data. These are not ranked. They're not in any particular order. I'll take a quick second to rewrite them. You don't necessarily have to do it that way, but it's never a bad thing. Oops, sorry, let me just change that pen color out there. It's not a bad thing to rewrite them just to make sure that they're clear, and it's a good habit to get into, although probably not absolutely necessary, at least for the mode. But I'll take a moment and I'll start off with my negative 12, move on to my negative 11, get rid of these lowest numbers first. Oh, I almost got fooled there. That's a positive. So I'm just going to continue looking for my numbers. Scratch that one out and that one out. And the next biggest will be the number 4. And if you're following along with me here, I think you'll get a sense of what I'm looking for as I try to get them all into order. There's my 10. I got the number 11. And that leaves me with the 23. So I think the point that I'm trying to make, the point of rewriting it is, it becomes really obvious that you have repetitions when you've written them all in sequence, because the numbers will pop up right next to each other. You may not notice that you have repetition in the data when the numbers are scattered across the page like that, and excuse me, across the distribution like that. And if there's 2 modes like we had in the last question, then that can get hidden even more easily. So although not necessary, a good way of visually organizing the data. So the mode in this case is equal to negative 5, because it is the only one that repeats. That's the most popular data point as a result. And it's as easy as that.